Hey guys, it's Ava and I just got this high-speed dryer from Amazon. I'm going to be using it today. It is a white blow dryer. It's super cute and aesthetic, so I'm going to be trying it out and blow drying my hair and see how fast it dries it. So here it is. I just plugged it in. It has a cooling mode, a mild mode, and a hot mode. This is the hot mode. This is the cooling mode, and this is the mild mode. So my hair is all dry now. That took about 10 minutes. Super fast, way faster than any other blow dryers I have. And I love the modern look this has. It's much nicer than the blow dryer I have right now. You see the comparison. This one is much brighter and modern, and I highly recommend this product.